massive war of words has erupted as the India bloc has demanded a two-day discussion on the 75th anniversary of the Constitution Day of India. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, hit out at the Prime Minister, stating that he has definitely not read the Constitution.
ये हिंदुस्तान का संविधान है। मैं आपको गारंटी देकर कह रहा हूं कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने इस किताब को नहीं पढ़ा है।
Gaurav Gogoi, K. Suresh and Manikam Tagore met the speaker as well with the same request.
See, today is a very special occasion where we are remembering the contribution of our constitution makers, and we just want to take this opportunity to allow in both houses all political parties to reaffirm their commitment to the constitution. I think it's a very positive and constructive discussion, and a government should not have any concern regarding it.
The BJP and its allies have come down heavily on the India bloc. The Prime Minister has also hit out at the demands by the opposition.
पहले तो चर्चा के लिए तैयार होने दो, सबको वेल में आके तो चर्चा नहीं होता है ना। पहले तो ये निर्णय करे, हम सदन चलाते हैं तो बाद में जरूर चर्चा के लिए स्पीकर एग्री हो सकते हैं। स्पीकर का निर्णय, हमको तो इसमें बोलने के लिए कुछ नहीं है।
Union Minister and Lok Janashakti Party leader Chirag Paswan has also called the opposition out, saying that the Congress has never even put up a poster of B.R. Ambedkar.
They are the one who never even given respect to the one who made the constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Not even a single picture till 89, when repeatedly they had back-to-back their governments till then. Not even a single picture of his was there in the central hall, whereas n number of members coming from their party, their portrait were there inside the central hall. Three members from one family, their pictures were there in the central hall. So that's the kind of someone they have given to the constitution and to the nirmata of the constitution, and they are talking about this by imposing emergency.
Aside from the blame game, the historic year-long celebrations to commemorate 75th year of the adoption of the Constitution of India were kick-started today under the campaign Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Swabhiman. President Draupadi Murmu addressed a joint sitting of both houses of parliament marking the occasion.
हमारे संविधान में प्रत्येक नागरिक के मूल कर्तव्यों का स्पष्ट उल्लेख किया गया है। महिलाओं के सम्मान को सुनिश्चित करना, पर्यावरण की रक्षा करना.
The opposition was also given space on the days, but it did not stem the war of words over the event. With Aishwarya Jain, Bureau Report, NDTV.